In this video, we'll discuss why every leaf on your corn plant is developing brown tips, what are the reasons behind this problem, and what you can do to fix this. If you're facing this issue, first thing you should do is check if your tap water is hard, filled with chlorine and fluoride. Dracaena plants are sensitive to the chemical composition of water due to their susceptibility to mineral buildup in the soil and on their foliage. When the plant absorbs water through its roots, these minerals can accumulate in the leaf tips. As water evaporates over time, the concentration of minerals becomes too high, causing cell damage and resulting in the browning or burning appearance at the tips of the leaves. Chlorine, commonly found in tap water as a disinfectant, if it's excessively high, it can damage the plant's sensitive root system and inhibit nutrient uptake. And fluoride toxicity can manifest as leaf tip burn and discoloration. When minerals accumulate in the plant's leaves, it becomes harder for the plant to move water and nutrients around properly. This makes the plant stressed and can cause more damage. So, I would suggest you to stop using tap water for your Dracaenas. Using distilled water or rainwater is the best choice for your plant's safety. Collect some rainwater and use it to water your sensitive plants like lucky bamboo, calatheas, spider plants, and peace lilies, and so on. You can also go for filtered or reverse osmosis water. If you're using good quality water and still noticing brown tips, then it might be because there's lack of humidity. When the air around your corn plant is too dry, it sucks moisture out of the leaves faster than the plant can replace it. This lack of moisture can stress the plant, especially at the tips of its leaves, causing them to turn brown. The effects of low humidity are often most noticeable at the tips of the plant's leaves. Since the tips are the farthest from the roots, they are more susceptible to drying out. As water is lost through transpiration, the cells at the tips of the leaves become damaged and eventually turn brown. Transpiration is when water is drawn up from the roots of the plant and released into the air through small openings in the leaves. This process is crucial for maintaining proper hydration and nutrient distribution within the plant. So, to keep your corn plant happy, make sure it's not too dry around it. You can do this by spraying water on its leaves, using a humidifier close by, or keeping other plants nearby. This helps the plant stay hydrated and healthy, preventing those brown tips from showing up. And you may be watering your plant wrong, or this could be related to poor drainage and mineral buildup in the soil mix. Brown tips on the plant leaves might not always be due to issues with the leaves themselves. Sometimes, the root system is the culprit. If a plant has been overwatered in the past, its roots may have been harmed. When the roots are damaged, they struggle to take in water and nutrients which are essential for the plant's overall health. As a result, the plant can't effectively distribute what it needs to the rest of its parts, including the leaves, leading to brown tips. Make sure you're not letting the soil to dry out a lot. In spring and summer, it's best to water your corn plants when the soil is about 25% dry. This means waiting until the top quarter of the soil feels dry to the touch before watering again. In winter, you should allow the soil to dry out a bit more, about 50%, before watering. This ensures that you're not overwatering during periods when the plants are not actively growing as much. When you water, check if the soil is draining properly or not. Check for blocked drainage holes and clear them. And do not over-fertilize them. When plants receive too much fertilizer, it can lead to a buildup of salts in the soil. This buildup can cause the tips of the plant's leaves to turn brown, a condition known as fertilizer burn or tip burn. Fertilize them in active growing seasons. You can try flushing the soil. Pour a large amount of water into the soil. Use enough water to thoroughly saturate the soil. Let excess water drain away completely and repeat it. This process helps remove excess salts, minerals, or excess amount of fertilizers and restore soil balance. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.